Wala siya. Dali siya! My dream! I'm so excited.
Oh, one stop less for you.
Yay.
Nur die Jacke.
Was?
Nur die Jacke.
Was für eine Jacke?
Mama asked also if Handy is here, but I saw only the jacket.
You're lying. Jacket this big
You.
and that one.
Hello everyone! This is Joramie again, and today we will unbox the iPhone 13 Pro. iPhone 13 Pro. Yes. Before, yung phone ko is iPhone 11 Pro, which is bigay sa akin ni Marcos last birthday ko. Just this year, nung una kong dating dito sa Germany. So now, wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa, bubuksan na natin yung phone. I'm so excited. Meron akong kutsilyo dito. Hindi pa nahugasan. So, actually, daw siya. Malaki. Malaking box yung phone. Kasi nakalagay. Kasi nakalagay yung MacBook Pro. Ang laki ng box. Tapos nalagay yung laptop. There. Open eh. Daming box. I have the iPhone 13 Pro in silver color. And talaga naganap kami kasi halos sold out na yung silver na color in 128. Yeah, 128 gigabytes. The normal price talaga ng iPhone 13 Pro is 1,149 euro. But this one, we got this for 1,164. Kasi nga, wala nang ibang store na nagbebenta ng color silver in 128 gig. So, ginab na lang namin kahit medyo, medyo mahal compare sa ibang store. So, what is this? So, yun lang. And then, the phone! I will open it. I think it's my hard way, so I'm correct. This one. Oh my god, I'm bro, 108 gigabytes, 121. Ayaw sirain. Talagang dapat talaga. Kasi yung 11 Pro ko, napakakinis pa. Super alaga ko yun. Yay. Ooh. So nice. So nice. Gopakay siya. And very cold also. The gray looks like white. I love this more. Lovey! Gusto kasi niya, siya mag-open kahit yung box lang. Yung box ng phone talaga is ako na mag-unbox. Come here! I've seen making a video. I want to see it. So, baka. Look, it's It's really white. And the green is silver here. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, white. And yeah, like I told you, there's no charger.
Yeah, that's okay. We have one.
Yes.
Oh, hold on.
Oh my G, so guapa.
That is the new expensive.
And then the cable wire, yeah. And yeah, wala siyang, what do you call that? Adapter?
No adapter for charging or charger.
Yeah, the charger itself.
Yeah, charger.
So wala siyang charger. Only cable wire and the phone and this paperworks niya. May sticker siya. One sticker lang. So, and then, yung phone. So, wapa. So, maganda. Then, okay.
You say thank you to Apple for your.
Yeah, thank you, Apple!
For your mistaking 11 Pro.
Thank you, Apple! Na-open na namin like yesterday. Mas nauna pang dumating yung case and the tempered glass. So, I need to put this para mas safety yung phone. And this is the tempered glass. And this is the case.
Sweet, sweet. Ja. Ja, du hast weiter für dich. Ein Fuß. Oh, 4 times. Ist das okay? Genau, hinter. Guess I'm excited. So you were good in the video, he had more bubble than you.